By the end of the video, you will know about how to HIIT, beginner's guide to crushing your workouts. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT for short. HIIT is a form of exercise that alternates short bursts of intense activity with periods of rest or low-intensity activity. This type of workout has gained popularity as it's an efficient way to improve your fitness. For those new to HIIT, here's a beginner's guide on how to get started. Firstly, choose a short duration, typically 10 to 20 minutes, and pick your preferred activity like running, cycling, or bodyweight exercises. Next, decide on the intensity level for your activities. This could be a sprint in running or an all-out effort in cycling or bodyweight exercises. Then determine how long you want to work at each intensity level. This is your work period. For example, if you're running at a sprint pace for 30 seconds, that would be your work period. After the work period ends, take a rest period. This is where you breathe slowly and easily. For the same amount of time you worked at high intensity, in our example 30 seconds. Repeat this process multiple times until you complete your session. Remember to start small and gradually increase the duration and number of repetitions as you progress. HIIT is intense, so start with shorter sessions and don't forget to take rest days. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.